Alright guys, today we are going to be practicing order of operations in this game. You're going to get to this link right here and you're just going to click on this puzzle piece and then do want to allow flash and then you click allow and it'll bring you to your game. Down here at the bottom you can see where I'm going to do my work. Once again, this is not something that you need to be doing in your head. And I'm going to click start. Pick the numbers to complete the equation at the bottom. We're just going to do a couple together. Okay. So it says something divided by something equals 1. And you can really choose whatever you want. I'm going to choose 3 divided by 3 because I know 1 times 3 is 3. Submit. I'm correct. Alright. Something times something. Take away something is 6. So, alright, I'm going to do this one on my paper. Something times something minus something equals 6. So in the end I want 6. So I don't want to start with maybe a small number, a big number. I could do 3 times 3. I know that's 9. 9 minus 3 is 6. So I could actually use all 3's if they're still there. 3 times 3 is 9, minus 3 equals 6. I am correct. Alright, here we go. We have all of this. If you're thinking that this is the part I have to do first, you are correct, because in PEMDAD we do multiplication and division. So, well, I see the number 60, so I want my numbers to be pretty big. So I'm going to go with 5. I know that 5 times 9 is 45. Well, if I'm at 45, I need 15 more to get to 60. So over here on the ends, I need 15 total. So I'm going to do a 9 plus 5 times 9. This is a 9 and a 6. Is there a 6 for me? Yes, there is. Submit. The nice thing about this is that there's more than one answer, so don't think it's too hard. Think, okay, well, what do I need to do? Alright, if I look at this, yes, I'm going to do multiplication first, and I've got to subtract, 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 and I'm going to end up at 31. So the multiplication that I do has to be bigger than 31. Well, I know once again that, let's go with 8 times 8, fell on the floor, picked it up, it's 64. But that's not going to work. I'm going to reset, that's too high. I want to get to 40. Oh, 8 times 5. 8 times 5 is 40. Take away 1. I'm at 39. Take away 3. I'm at 36. Take away 5. I'm at 31. I'm correct. Alright, they'll get harder and trickier. Go ahead and try it out and see how well you can do.